The second test we can run is to check for cause of our chronic constipation. That could be our poor dietary choices or poor dietary habits. And the test we can run is a simple elimination diet. The purpose is to identify food intolerances or sensitivities that can cause chronic constipation or impair our gut health. For example, we can eliminate some of the trigger foods, such as for some people it can be dairy, for some people it can be gluten, soy, or certain high FODMAP foods. What we can do is we can put a food diary and eliminate all of these and then introduce one after another that can help us identify what is the trigger food that can help that's causing a chronic constipation. For example, in my case, dairy is not a problem, but even gluten is not a problem. I am not allergic to gluten, but if I use a huge amount of wheat, that can have some upsetting problem for me. But when I combine cheese and the white flour, that's a trigger for me that can cause chronic constipation. So to do that is simple elimination diet before and after. Then we can gradually start reintroducing it, and we can keep eating what doesn't trigger and eliminate what causes the problem for us. So this simple elimination diet can identify the trigger food element for us.